Hi.
Where are you from?
I can't hear you properly. Is your phone at
The speaker on my phone's fire.
We've got a challenge for you.
For me?
£500 challenge.
What is
If
it?
you want to try and complete it, so basically,
Let John take part in this challenge because I think Ems knows. I think you've taken one of your friends have taken part in the challenge before.
Oh, so
Right,
yes.
What challenge?
How you doing, John? You alright?
Hi, Speedo. Hi, Sam. What's the challenge?
Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you.
The challenge. Do you want to win some money today, mate?
Aye, go for it.
Okay.
Brilliant.
So, which challenge are you doing today? Because yesterday, which one are you going to do today?
We've got two challenges. So the one I think we should do today is how many items you can get out your back door within 1 minute. Right, so the more items you get, the more money you win. Now, if you bring any item what's the same size as a microwave out your back door, you get an extra £50.
So you basically got to take stuff, put it out the front, back of the door. The bigger the item, the bigger the prize.
In 1 minute.
60 seconds or 45 seconds?
60 seconds.
I can't do that in Emsy's house, so
I was thinking that. This is Ems's house.
I would do it in mine. I would happily do it in mine.
You can do okay if you do the fridge then if you want. How many items you can get out the fridge within 1 minute?
Do you want to do it?
Go on, you have to put it back though. There's loads of cans of pop in there, so you'll be alright.
Alright, okay. Put the items on the side so we know how many items you've got. I'll put the timer on. And, so yeah, so obviously he's doing this in Ems's house, so yeah, you've got to put it back. Okay, so Sam,
Yeah.
are you ready?
We're ready, yeah.
John?
I don't know whether I believe you or not.
Go on.
You know, it's a challenge. I do it every Saturday.
It's because he's on the triple way, he does giveaways.
I do every Saturday. I do the TikTok challenge. Sorry, I'm just checking to make sure my friend wasn't there.
Right, when are you starting the timer then?
I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Four seconds left.
Why is there a catfish on my throat?
17 seconds left. And now we're down to 9 seconds.
And you can get a bonus 30 seconds.
He's getting bonus seconds.
A bonus 30 seconds. A bonus 30 seconds. If you can get a bonus 30 seconds.
That's been a minute. Come on, you're fucked.
Keep going.
You got time still, John.
You've got a bonus 30 seconds.
What?
29, 28. You've got bonus 30 seconds.
Shut up.
I've got something to tell you. Goodbye for the rest of your life.
Fucking comments gone.
This is fun.
Well.